Hello everyone, you are welcome to the second part of our series, Chemistry Explained Part 2. Today we are going to look at matter and its properties. Have you ever wondered why ice melts? Have you ever wondered why the water boils? Or gas disappears into thin air? Everything around us is made up of matter, which exists in different forms. So the question is, what is matter? Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space or volume. Everything around us, such as air we breathe in, the water we drink, the rocks and the mountains that surround us, the plants that are around us, and even our bodies, they are made up of matter. We look at the states of matter and their changes. There are three basic states of matter, even though there is a fourth state, but we'll be looking at that one later. But we recognize the three basic states of matter: the solid state, the liquid state, and the gaseous state. What do we mean by solids or the solid states? Solids have a fixed and definite shape and volume. Example, if you take an ice block, you see it has a fixed shape and size. The wood, the metal, and the pen in your hands, the book in your front, they are all solid states of matter. Then the liquid states, liquids have a fixed volume, but they don't have a definite shape, but they take the shape of the container. For example, when you have oil in a container, it takes the shape of that container. When you have milk in a container, it takes the shape of that container. Even your water in your glass cup, it takes the shape of your glass cup. Gases, the third state of matter. Gases have no fixed shape or volume, but they spread out freely. That's why in the air, we envelop in the air. The air, the gases, oxygen and nitrogen. These are examples of gases. Then these three states of matter can interchange. That means matter can change from one state to another. For example, a solid can change to a liquid in a process we call melting. And ice, you bring it out of the fridge and you leave it. It will melt to water. That block will turn to water. That is a change of states. Then a solid also can change directly into a gas. We see that in what we call sublimation. Example is a dry ice, like solid carbon dioxide. It turns directly into a gas without passing through the liquid state. We see also that a gas can turn into a solid. A very typical example is iodine vapor. Iodine crystals, when they cool down, they will form solid iodine without passing through the liquid states. We can also see a liquid turn into a solid. And we can see an example of that when water freezes to an ice. When you put water into the refrigerator, it will turn from that liquid state into a solid state. We can also see a liquid turning into a gas. In an example of evaporation, water boiling. As water is boiling, it will turn into steam. So that boiling water changes from liquid to a gaseous state. We can also see a gas turning into a liquid in a process we call condensation. When you are boiling the water, the steam turning into water droplets. When it's cooling down, that's a gas turning into a liquid. These are the three states of matter and their interconnectivity. So, can you name another example of sublimation? Tell me in the comment section. So we have learned about solids, liquids, and gases, and how they change from one form to another. Please like and subscribe for more lessons. Thank you.